How insecticide kills insects, the science explained simply. Have you ever wondered how insecticide actually kills insects? Is it poison? Does it burn them? Or does it stop them from breathing? Today, we'll break it down simply and scientifically. What is an insecticide? Insecticides are chemicals designed to kill or control insects. They don't work in just one way. Different insecticides attack insects differently. Main ways insecticides kill insects. 1. Attacking the nervous system. Many insecticides attack the insect's nervous system. They block or overstimulate nerve signals, causing uncontrollable shaking, paralysis, and death. Result: insect becomes paralyzed, stops moving, dies. 2. Stopping breathing, respiration. Insects breathe through tiny holes called spiracles. Some insecticides block these openings or disrupt oxygen use. Result: no oxygen, insect suffocates. 3. Damaging the digestive system. When insects eat treated plants, some insecticides destroy their gut lining. Result: cannot digest food, starvation and death. 4. Preventing growth and molting. Some insecticides don't kill immediately. They stop insects from growing or shedding their old skin. Called insect growth regulators (IGRs). Result: deformed insect, death before adulthood. 5. Dehydration. Insects have a waxy layer that prevents water loss. Some insecticides destroy this layer. Result: insect dries out, dies from dehydration. Why insects die but humans don't? Insecticides are designed to target insect biology, not human biology. But misuse can still harm humans, animals, and the environment. Safety message: always use insecticides according to instructions. More chemical does not mean more effectiveness, it means more danger. Conclusion: so in summary, insecticides kill insects by attacking the nervous system, blocking breathing, destroying digestion, preventing growth, causing dehydration. If you learned something new, like this video, subscribe to Science Secret TV. And comment below which insect you want us to explain next.